Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to start with the Google Sheets. This will be the third one that we've been looking at. Let me bring you guys into what I'm seeing. I'm going to have you guys click on this little app section right here, and we're going to get into Sheets going this way. Now once we're into the Google Sheets section, I'm going to have you guys go ahead and click on the blank Google Sheet again. And what we're going to do in this section here is we're going to start off with titling our Google Sheet. And once we have done that, what I'd like you to do is locate the address A1, which I'm in right here. And I want you to type in, or actually I want you to merge all the way to E by clicking on that tool there. And I want you to type in here cost of new equipment. And once you have that, I'd like you to make that so it is centered, like we've done it before. We're going to make it a little bigger. I'd like you to see this at 24. I'd also like to see it bold. You can make your choice of type of font that you want. I'm going to choose Cosmic Sans. And I'd like to have you guys make your text color something that we're going to be able to see once we color that background. I'm going to make mine a green. And I'm going to color my background a orangish yellow. Once you guys have this done, go ahead and go on to my next video.